Hey guys, it's Craz-E Coupons. Welcome back to my channel and happy Sunday, everybody. You guys know what that means. We've got some new Dollar General digital coupons to clip to our accounts. Plus, we've got a couple of glitches to talk about as well. But first, before we get started, if you haven't already subscribed, I don't know what you're waiting on. Go ahead and hit that subscribe button. It's right down below this video. And while you're at it, do your girl a huge favor. Hit that thumbs up button and leave me a smile down in the comment section below, because those are two quick, easy, and free ways that y'all can help support this channel. And then take a second to share the video. Alright guys, so let's go ahead and jump right in. Now I do want to go ahead and remind everybody that I did upload the full glitch list video on Saturday, and then we also have a little run glitch deal going on this morning at Dollar General. So if you missed out on either one of those videos, make sure that you go and check them out. They're going to be linked for you in the pinned comment down below. And also make sure that y'all stay tuned, because I have a third video coming up for you all today where we are going to go over our new clearance markdowns and penny list for this week at DG. Alright guys, so let's go ahead and jump right into our new Dollar General digital coupons, and of course go ahead and clip your 525 for Saturday. Next up, we have a back to school coupon. It's 2 off 10. This is a DG store coupon, so we can stack it with other manufacturer coupons and cashback offers. I've already put together a couple of deals, so make sure that y'all stay tuned for those. Moving on down, we have a 75% off one for the Nature's Valley. We also have a 125 off of 3, and then here in just a few seconds you guys are going to see a 125 off of 2. So just depends on what you have on your account. These are on sale this week, 2 for $6. Moving on down, we have some older coupons here. We went over those last week. Those Olay coupons are really great. I think one of those ends up being just $4. Next up, we have a $3.30 off 2 for the Febreze products. Those are priced at $3.25, so after the coupon, you're going to pay $3.20 for 2. Next up, we've got a one-off one for the Gain Flings and fabric softeners. All of these are priced at $4.50. After the coupon, you're going to pay $3.50. Next up, we have a 3 off 2 for the Colgate products. Now, we do have a higher value coupon. It's a 4 off 2, so I'm going to go ahead and leave this coupon alone. We've got a one-off one for the Tide, Gain, and the Bounce dryer sheets. These are priced at $5.50. After the coupon, you're going to pay $4.50. We also have a 3 off 1, and this is on the Gain Flings 24 count and the Gain liquid fabric softeners. These are priced at $7.50. So after the coupon, you're going to pay $4.50. So that's a pretty good high value coupon that we don't see very often. We usually get a 2 off 1. Next up, we've got a 50% off one for the Tide Simply. Those are priced at $3.50. So after the coupon, you're going to pay $3. We also have a new one-off one for the Finish product. So if you want to pick up the Jet Dry Rinse Aid, those are priced at $4.95. So after the coupon, you're going to pay $3.95. Next up, we have Arm & Hammer 125 off 1. If you want to pick up the liquid laundry detergent or the scent beads, those are priced at $4. So after the coupon, you're going to pay $3.75. We have a 3 off 1 for the Downy or Gain fabric softeners. So those are priced at $12.95. After the coupon, you're going to pay $9.95. 2 off 3 for the Dr. Pepper 12 packs. So those are on sale this week, 3 for $14. After the coupon, you're going to pay $12 for 3. Next up, we've got a 2 off 1 for our Downy products. These are priced at $10.95. So after the coupon, you're going to pay $8.95. We also have a 1 off 2 for the General Mills cereals. Now, some accounts may have received a 125 off of 2. These are on sale this week, 2 for $5. So after the coupon, you're going to pay $4 for 2. Then we also have a Lysol coupon, the laundry sanitizers, 2 off 1. So these are priced at $7.75. After the coupon, you're going to pay $5.75. We have a 2 off 1 for the CoverGirl eye products. So if you want to pick up the 2 count eyeliner pencils, those are priced at $4.95. After the coupon, you're going to pay $2.95. Moving on down, we have a 1 off 1 for the Ajax and Palmolive dish soaps. So these start out at $5.50. After the coupon, you're going to pay $4.50. We have a 150 off 1 for the Persil liquid laundry detergents, 40 ounce. Those are priced at $5.95. So after the coupon, you're going to pay $4.45. And then right next to it, we have a 1 off 1 for our Bounce dryer sheets. Those are priced at $5.25. So after the coupon, you're going to pay $4.25. We have Tylenol and Motrin coupons. So these start out at $6.35. I believe it's on the 24 count. So after the coupon, you're going to pay $4.35. We have a 3 off 2 for the L'Oreal Paris shampoos and conditioners. Those are priced at $4.50. So after the coupon, you're going to pay $6 for 2. On the 2-off-1 Tylenol that you see there on the bottom, if you want to pick up the 24 count, those start out at $4.75. So after the coupon, you're going to pay $2.75. Then we have a 2-off-1 for the CoverGirl face products. So those are priced at $6.75. After the coupon, you're going to pay $4.75. Alright, next up we have Purina 1 and Beggin' Strips. It's $3.99 off when you purchase both of those. We do have a little glitch going on with these products this morning, and I've already posted a video about that. So if you missed it, make sure that you check out the pinned comment right down below this video, and also check the pinned comment underneath that run glitch video as well, because I have put some updates, some little extra notes down there in the pinned comment for you. Alright, moving on, we've got a $2.80 off one for the Folgers coffee. Now this coupon doesn't expire until the end of the month, so hopefully we will get a sale between now and then, but these are priced at $10.75 right now. Alright, moving on, we've got Folgers, and we also have another Purina 1 and Friskies cat treats digital coupon. This is $1.99 off when you purchase 2. Now this coupon is glitching. It's not as good of a glitch as the one on the dog food and the dog treats, but if you want to pick up 2 of the Purina dry cat foods, those are priced at $9 each. After the coupon, you're going to pay $16.01 for 2. So that might be a good deal if you have like a 3 off 15 on your account. I know that some accounts have been receiving those. Next up, we've got a 2-off-1 for the Tide products. Those are priced at $9.95. After the coupon, you're going to pay $7.95. We also have a 1-off-1 for the Sparkle 2-count paper towels. Those are priced at $3.75. So after the coupon, you're going to pay $2.75. 50 cents off one for the Bounce dryer sheets. These are priced at $3.95. After the coupon, you're going to pay $3.45. 2-off-1 for the All-In Purex products. These start out at $13. So after the coupon, you're going to pay $11. And we do have a DG store coupon that is going to go great with that manufacturer coupon. Next up, we have a 2-off-1 for the Curl Rhythm products. So if you want to pick up the shampoos or conditioners, those are priced at $5 this week. After the coupon, you're going to pay $3. And then they also have some curl creams, which are on sale this week for $4.50. So after the coupon, you're going to pay $2.50. Moving on down, we have a $1.50 off one for the Degree deodorants. We also have a 1-off-1 DG store coupon that is stacking with this manufacturer coupon. So these start out at $5.75. After the coupon, you're going to pay $3.25. Now we have several Sally Hansen coupons as well. This 50-cent off one digital coupon works on the ones that are priced at $3.25. After the coupon, you're going to pay $2.75. We have a 5-off-1 for the Airwick automatic spray starter kits. These are priced at $13. So after the coupon, you're going to pay $8. Temptations, the Ensure 3-off-1 for the multi-packs. So these are priced at $10.75. After the coupon, you're going to pay $7.75. 2-off-3 for the Coca-Cola and Sprite 12 packs. So those are on sale. 3 for $15 right now. After the coupon, you're going to pay $13 for 3. Here is that other Purina coupon. It's a DG store coupon for $3.99 off of the Purina dry dog food and the Beggin' Strips. Again, make sure that you go and watch that video from earlier today. Alright, next up we have a couple of Loves coupons that we need to talk about. So both of these are on the big boxes of Loves diapers. Alright, and we can stack these together and come up with a really good deal. The DG store coupon is for buy 1 box of the Loves diapers and get the little Pampers wipes for free. So the boxes of diapers are priced at $23.50. The wipes are priced at, I think, $2.65 or $2.85. But pick up both of those products, use that buy one, get one coupon, and the 2-off-1 manufacturer coupon. You're going to pay $18.65 for both products. And then, last but not least, we have the 5 off 15 DG store coupon back on the all Snuggle and Purex products. So we should be able to come up with a really good deal with that coupon as well. Alright guys, so that's going to be it for me for now, but y'all make sure that you stay tuned because I have lots of deals to share with you all this week. So before you go, don't forget to subscribe, turn on those notifications, hit that thumbs up button, and leave me a smile down in the comment section below. Alright guys, thank you all so much for watching. I hope y'all have a wonderful day, and I will see you on the next one.